everybody. We are doing something new today. This is a video by Daily Dose of the Internet. Didn't know that was a username. Thought it was just a video title. But we're doing this one. It's a quick short one because of the title of this video. It's called How to Deep Fry Water. And of course, that catches all of our interest. We need answers. Before we hop into it, drop a like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification so I know when I drop some more heat for y'all. And let's just jump right into it.
Hello everyone, this is your Daily Dose of Internet. This guy wanted to see if it was possible to deep fry water. He trapped the water in an edible membrane, covered it in eggs and flour, and then deep fried it in peanut oil.
Huh.
I think you did it. That's not bad. First try.
What?
Here we have it. We just deep fried water. This might be
Ew.
first.
That's cool.
Okay.
This person needed surgery to have an artificial heart placed in his chest. This is what the heartbeat of an artificial heart sounds like.
It sounds like that scene from SpongeBob with the jellyfish.
This is what it looks like when the US military does a flyover during sporting events.
Oh, okay. That's awesome.
Here's a cool maneuver you could use if you ever need to pick someone up who is heavier than you.
Alright, let's see the magic. What? What cat?
Here's something I discovered yesterday while eating a banana. If you take your finger and push it through the middle like this, you will see that bananas are actually made of 3 separate pieces.
Wow. Didn't know that. This is awesome.
This is what an airplane pilot sees when flying through a snowstorm.
That's terrifying. You can't see squat.
This dog was stuck in a frozen lake and was helped to safety.
Come on, Harvey. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Just goodbye.
Here's a rock that kind of looks fuzzy on the inside.
I need that, whatever it is. I need it. I need it.
That's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon.
What?
Later.
Oh no. No. I need more. Why didn't you guys tell me about these videos earlier? That was great. That was very short and sweet. I learned a lot in that video. That Jesus Moose though. And it's possible. You can fry water, guys. Go and try it at home. That's more than safe. Results may vary. Thank you for tuning in. I'll see you guys in the next video. And peace out.